Deposit account on OfferUp. In this video, we are going to learn how to add deposit account on OfferUp. So let's get started. First, open the OfferUp app, launch the OfferUp app on your device. Number 2, log into your account. If you already have an OfferUp account, log in. If not, you may need to sign up for an account. Number 3, access your account settings. Look for a profile or account icon usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Number 4, find the payment or deposit account section. Within your account setting, there should be a section related to payments, deposits, or linking a bank account. It might be labeled as payment methods or something similar. Number 5, add a deposit account. Look for an option to add a new payment method or deposit account. Follow the prompts to enter your banking information such as your account number and routing number. Number 6, verify your account. Depending on OfferUp procedure, you may need to verify your account and banking information. This could involve confirming small deposits made to your account or any other verification methods. Number 7, save changes. After adding your deposit account information and completing any necessary verification steps, make sure to save the changes. That's how you can deposit account on OfferUp.